put, at, on, or in if necessary. Sometimes there is no prepositions. First one, I am leaving Friday. I am leaving on Friday. We use on before days such as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and 22nd April, on birthday, on New Year's Day, like that. Second one is I am leaving next Friday. There is no preposition. I am leaving next Friday. We don't use prepositions before this, last, next, every. For example, this Monday, last Monday, next Monday, every Monday. Third one, I always feel tired blank evening. I always feel tired in the evening. We use in before the morning, the afternoon, the evening. But we use on before Monday evening, Monday afternoon, on Monday evening, on Sunday afternoon. Fourth one, Mira was born blank 2004. Mira was born in 2004. We use in before years. Fifth one, I call my mother blank every Sunday. No preposition. I call my mother every Sunday. We already seen this. We don't use prepositions before this, last, next, and every. Sixth one. What are you doing blank the weekend? What are you doing at the weekend? We use at before the weekend, night, Christmas, okay, at Christmas, at Easter, at the end of the story, at the end of the class, at the moment. Seventh one. Will you be at home blank this evening? No preposition. Will you be at home this evening? Eighth one. She can't go to the party blank Sunday. She can't go to the party on Sunday. Ninth one. He doesn't often go out blank night. He doesn't often go out at night. 10th one. Shall we play football blank next Sunday? No preposition. Shall we play football next Sunday? 11th one. I'm going out. I'll be back blank an hour. I'm going out. I'll be back in an hour. We use in before a certain time period, such as in an hour, in 5 minutes, in few days, in 2 years. 12th one. We went to Italy blank last summer. We went to Italy last summer. No preposition. Comment your results. Until the next session, take care. Bye bye.